How to play Plinko game. Now, Plinko is actually at its core Plinko game of chance where players drop a ball down a board and watching it as it bounces and carries off pigs, ultimately landing on a specific slot that determines the prize, and then the Plinko ball is the star of the show. Understanding how to play it is the key of mastering the game. First is where to play the game. So if you would like to use the application version of this game, then you can go into your Google Play Store or maybe into your iOS application store and look for Plinko Space, Play and Win. Now, there are plenty of types of Plinko, whether it's for entertainment purposes only or for real money. For real money, all you can do is to simply switch the specific bet you would like to prefer. So, for example, for a point 50 or um, a dollar or two, then all you have to do is to choose between what specific ball you would like to choose, if it is going to be green, yellow, or red. Now, these three layers right here are the multipliers. Say, for example, the very first ball you drop for green plays under 18. These numbers here are currently multipliers. So, say, for example, you bet for $2 and it will drop down into 1.2, and then it will be multiplied into 1.2%. Now, it will be accumulated depending on which specific layer you're in right here and what specific ball you drop. It will automatically be accumulated into the current balance that you have on Plinko. And that is how you play the Plinko game.